So first of all, we'll start by whizzing this up. Can't whiz it up because I don't have the blade. We are making my wonderfully easy carrot cake. It all goes in the food processor, which makes life easy for everybody. You want really fresh carrots, and now it gets a bit noisy. My grandmother is an amazing baker and cook. Kind of sparked things for me. You need the oil and the sugar to get the rise out of the cake. 4 eggs. And we're gonna add a teaspoon of cinnamon. Sometimes I've put in raisins, walnuts. Mixed spice works really well too. You can just play with things to make them yours. And last but not least, we've got to add some flour. Sometimes I'm not that good with words. The way I show people I love them is generally by baking for them. My kids love it. Pop it in the oven for an hour at about 150 degrees. We've got to go to the most important part, cream cheese frosting. Very sticky and soft. It can make the difference for someone's day. That's why I love baking. It's always good to taste it. Tastes good. And once the cake's cool, then we can ice. And we generously layer it. My mother is a carrot cake fiend. She does know how to make it herself, but according to her, it's not as good as I make it. And I'm like, well, did you put love into it? Yummy, thank you.
This is absolutely beautiful.
She's a good cook, and she doesn't get it from me.